Okay, so with this setup here, right, lots and lots of information, okay, which I'm sure you've read through, all right. In terms of the action then we've got to take, we sort of start with this bullet point here, okay. So it says here that Jack sells his stock of 100 filled pencil cases within the week, okay, that he's already paid for, as it says in the question, right. He's already paid for these, he's already put them together, so he sells them in this week. And then it says he pays all of the money he makes from selling into the bank account. So let's see how much he's going to have in his bank account now. Okay, so his bank account balance during the week, okay, will be, well, he started with 300, didn't he? Okay, that's what he started with. And then he sells these 100 pencil cases. And if you look there, his pencil cases sell for £1 each. So he sells them for £100 in total. So now he's got £400 in his bank account. Then it says he buys more pens, pencils, rulers and pencil cases to make another 400 filled pencil cases. Okay, so he's making 400 filled pencil cases. So we've got to cost this out because he's got to pay for all this, yeah? So with a pencil case, you've got all these different things in them. So pens to start with. So let's focus on the pens to see how much all this is going to cost. So we start off with pens. Now it says £13.50, okay, for 100, okay, pens. But we want 400 pens, don't we? Because it says 400 filled pencil cases. So what I need to do is just scale this up, times it by 4, okay. So then I need to times this by 4 as well. Okay, so £13.50 times that by 4. So times by 4 is easy because you just double it and double it again. So if I double that, I get £27. If I double it again, I get £54. Okay, so that's how much the pens will come to for 400 of them. Let's deal with the pencils then. With the pencils, what does it say? £8.25 for a pack of 50. So now 50, okay, well let's see if we can get to 100 first then. Let's double it. Okay, so times it by 2. So we double it, I get 100, so I'm going to double this as well. So double £8.25, sorry, I get £16.50. Okay, for 100. And that's for 100. Of course, remember I need 400, so let's scale it up again. Let's make that 4 times bigger. Okay, so I get 400. If I'm timesing that by 4, I've got to times this by 4. So remember, when you times by 4, double it, which that'll be £33, and you double it, and then double it again, so you get £66. Okay, so that's the pens and pencils dealt with. Now let's do the rulers. Okay, so the rulers, we've got, what does it say, 90 pence for a pack of 10. Okay, so 90 pence for 10. Now, let's get that to 100 first. So let's just times that by 10, yeah? So we get to 100. If I'm timesing that by 10, I've got to times the cost by 10. Now, 90 pence times 10 will be 900 pence. Will just be £9, of course, yeah? £9. And then, of course, then times that by 4 to get 400. So times that by 4, I get £36, okay? So that's the rulers. Now, the pencil cases. Now, the pencil cases, what are they, 20 pence, it says in the question 20 pence each, yeah, so 20 pence for one. Now we want 400, so what you could do, actually you could go straight to 400 if you wanted to, just by timesing that by 400, and I just got to times that by 400. Of course it's easy enough to do because you just need to do 4 times 2, which is 8, and add the 3 zeros on. So 8,000 pence, okay, 8,000 pence for 400, which would be £80, okay, for 400. Okay, so we've done all of those different things there. So what I need to do now is to add up the total cost that these outlay, okay, so the total outlay cost will be all of these added together. So we've got 54, 66, 36 and 80. So I add them up. So add the units, that comes to 16, so 6 carry 1. Add the tens, 23. I think that's right, 236. Okay. So that's how much he's got to pay. And then it says, doesn't it? It says here that he does not sell any of these pencil cases. Okay. How much money will Jacob have in the bank account at the end of the week? So in terms of how much he's got left, okay, well, remember now, he had £400, okay, so we then got to take away the 236 that he spent now on all this equipment, so that comes to £164.